How to remove a backup file from your DirectAdmin. You can free up disk space by deleting backup files you no longer need. We assume you have already logged in to your DirectAdmin account. Now go to the System Info and Files section and click the File Manager icon. Click to open the backup folder and look for the backup file you wish to remove. Right-click the backup file and select the Remove option. Uncheck the To Trash option to remove the backup file permanently and click Remove. Success! The backup file has been removed. Thank you for watching.